Before, when I stood in the classroom, I could tell at a glance whether a student was listening. Now, behind the screen, all I can see is the data. Data shows that Xiaoming signs in for every class and hands in his homework on time, yet his test score dropped from B4 to F9. Today's writing exercise is titled "The Person I Respect Most." Xiaoming, would you like to share yours? A message pops up on the screen. I write about my mom. She works very hard. Data backend record. Good interaction. 85% correct answer rate. Perfect data.
No, his eyes are wrong. He isn't thinking. He's waiting to respond. Hello, Xiaoming's mom. This is Teacher Chen. I'd like to speak with Xiaoming in person. Xiaoming, I'm not here to scold you today. I just want to ask you, have you felt bored with online classes lately?
Anyway, the teacher can't see me.
You're right. Teachers really can't see you during online classes. But I came here today to let you know, even if I can't see you, I've been thinking about you all the time. Xiaoming's story is not an isolated case. During the pandemic, we saw the immense potential of online teaching, breaking through time and space constraints, sharing resources, and enabling data tracking. As a result, an uncritically accepted idea began to spread. Technology can solve all educational problems.
Bill Gates is right. Technology is just a tool. When it comes to inspiring students and getting them to collaborate, teachers are the most important part. The Ministry of Education of Singapore clearly states in its EdTech Master Plan 2030, technology is an enabler, not a substitute. A local survey conducted in 2023 showed that 78% of students believe that what they lack most during online courses is timely feedback and emotional connection from their teachers. The alternative is neither to return to the past nor to embrace technology blindly, but hybrid teaching 2.0, extending learning online and taking root offline. More importantly, train teachers to make good use of technology, not to be defined by technology. Let teachers be the masters of technology, not its slaves. I saw those eyes again. The confused, the distracted, the focused, the ones longing to be seen. Online learning is a bridge that allows education to continue, but on the other side of that bridge, there will always be a warm classroom and a teacher who can read those eyes.